Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with TP-Link Kasa for Wi-Fi smart plugs. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by downloading the TP-Link Kasa app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it to begin the registration process. Tap on the sign up option if you don't already have an account. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. After entering your details, read and accept the terms of service. Then, tap on the Sign Up button to create your account. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Open the email and click on the verification link. Return to the Kasa app and log in using your new credentials. Next, ensure your Wi-Fi network is set up and working properly. Plug your TP-Link smart plug into a power outlet. Press the button on the smart plug until the LED indicator blinks rapidly. In the Kasa app, tap on the Add Device option. Select Smart Plug from the list of available devices. The app will prompt you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password, ensuring it is correct. Once connected, the app will search for your smart plug. When it is found, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Name your smart plug for easy identification. You can now control the smart plug directly from the Kasa app. Explore the app to customize settings and schedules as desired. Your TP-Link Kasa smart plug is now ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.